Okay, now we will check how the IR alarm system works. Okay, for example, now the alarm system is turned off. You open the door. Okay, there is no alarm. When you use the fingerprint sensor, no alarm. Okay, when it's outside of office hours, you turn on the alarm system, and then you try to open the door, either it's from inside or outside. Okay, open door, the alarm will be beeping and there will be a notification showing in your phone. Okay, and if you want to turn off this alarm, you have to turn off the alarm system and then turn on again. Okay, now I'm keeping the fingerprint. When turning on the alarm, the same happens. Okay.